Hi everyone. So today I'm gonna work on my next painting that I will do on this small canvas. And you see, from last 2 months, actually from the beginning also, I worked on small canvases like 4 by 4 inches, and now 5 by 5 inches, 8 by 8 inches, and 12 by 12 inches. So these are the square shaped artworks that I'm working um, nowadays. So I want to thanks to all to subscribe my channel, to being with me, and stay tuned, keep watching. So today I want to make uh, I want to do a different, a unique experiment in this style. And in the painting, uh, in the paintings, I like to do a lot of experiments, and these experiments are going with the acrylic medium. Okay, I'm going to start painting. This is ready, and this is the water. Canvas is ready, and I have water, and this is the palette. So in this experiment, I will use some colors, acrylic colors, as a matte texture. And first of all, I'm gonna do a wash. So the sap grain is ready to apply on the canvas. Sorry for the the look, because I was working like this, and I was hiding with my hand, so this was very bad, I know. If and I'm requesting you, if you are a student, then please watch full videos. It will help both of us. Okay, you will learn completely, you will not miss the basic or any point of the experiments and the painting works. Okay, so guys, this layer sufficiently dried. Now I can apply the second layer, and the experiment is just to add the gold color with the other colors. Like, I'm gonna add it with the green, the sap green, and this verbidin hue. Okay, I'm not adding white color or any other color, and not adding water. And I'm not trying to mix them, just randomly applying. Now I need white color. I have a lot of white. I have this big container, but I have some small uh, tubes also. Let me wash this brush. Okay, we will wash it later. Recently we need the golden color, and now I am mixing with it, and applying like this.
In the abstract painting, do not try to make them as a fixed shape or any plant form. According to me, actually, I do not like this. Because the emotion works itself to create a unique art, painting like nobody can do like that. Look at this. This is looking so beautiful actually. You can't imagine in actual, not on camera. In the real, this painting is to watch live. Amazing. But do you know, this is not a complete work. We'll do the next layer after some time, and the final layer on tomorrow. Okay, so see you. So the experiment is mixing gold for the background colors, the background elements. In this art, I did this, and this is not final work. The final layer is still remaining to make the textures, to make the characterism and this work. Okay, now this layer, these all both the layers are dried completely. Now I can use the final layer and going to make textures. So this is the black color, and I will not add anything. Let it deep black. If I mix something, it will be this is sufficient, actually more than sufficient. Okay, in this painting I need a thin layer, not a thick layer. And this is because I want to show the previous layers also. because um, I need to show the depth clearly. And we will scratch as always I do. If you are my regular viewer, you know what I'm going to do after this layer and before drying this. Okay, please subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. This acrylic color going to be scratched with my painting knife. Okay, this spatula. Mainly we need to scratch the golden space. This is the characterism. If you can see, depth is coming. In this painting, you can observe the depth under the scratches and the other positive spaces. This painting may be sold because the Christmas is coming. This Christmas tree is good for the Christmas lovers. All the Jesus lovers can buy this painting, and I will also give a discount for them because the season is coming soon. This is November, and before Christmas, if you buy this, I will give the special offer for you. And some more and luxurious artworks available at my website from barkhanearts.com. So finally this is done almost, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this if you are watching at Instagram or any other platform, social media. Okay.
Wow.
Finally, this is done.